Macaroons. Very simple recipe. For this you will need 2 ounces of sugar, 2 ounces of ground almonds, rather less than 1 egg, a little raspberry jam, and patty tins lined with shortcrust pastry. This recipe makes 14, the rest are going to be jam tarts. Beat the egg. Mix the almonds. And sugar. With sufficient egg to form a soft mixture. About that much egg left over. Don't know what I'm going to do with that. Put 1/3 of a teaspoonful of jam in each. And then 1 teaspoonful of the almond mixture. With your thin strips of pastry, put a cross on each one. At right angles. Bake for 20 minutes at gas mark 7, 425 degrees Fahrenheit, 220 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, 200 degrees Celsius, fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. I think they've been in the oven too long. I'm only going to give them 14 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale. Very disappointing.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.